Biography Alexis Moreno. Description: Hello. Highlight doodle about Alexis Moreno. His full name is Alexis Moreno Guerrero. He is 20 years old. He is from Peru. He is still studying software engineering. He also likes to read books. Physical this of medium age. He a short, straight, dark hair. His eyes are brown. He usually dresses formally because of his lectures. I admire him because he is intelligent. That he is my brother. That's why I chose Doodle about Alexis Moreno. Thank you very much.